our discussion with the very first topic, and that's going to be plasma membrane. People, when it comes to plasma membrane, understand this, it is a bilayer. Plasma membrane is a bilayer, it is made of lipid. Alright, the very first word, put your focus here, the very first word, what makes a plasma membrane? So plasma membrane is essentially made of lipids. Alright, but when it comes to composition, the composition of proteins far exceeds the composition of lipids. It looks paradoxical, isn't it? You know it is made of lipid, but we are all saying that the membrane has got more amount of proteins than lipids. How does it work, man? It's simple. Now imagine you construct a wall, alright? You construct a wall. What you need? You need bricks, you need mortar, it's the cement, you need some sand. So you take, brick, you use the cement and you organize the bricks in a proper way and you finish the construction, you plaster it, you paint it, now the construction is over. Let's consider, to construct this wall, you would have used or you have used say some 1000 bricks, possible, right? Once the construction is over and all the plastering, everything is been done, now what do? You take some decorative stickers and you paste those decorative stickers on the wall. Now imagine you have sticked somewhat about 2000 stickers. Alright, now if I ask you whose numbers is going to be high, is it the number of bricks or is it the number of stickers? Your answer is going to be stickers. But what is a wall made of? It's going to be bricks, which means the property of that wall, the strength of that wall, the stability of that wall, are they dependent on stickers or bricks? Bricks, obviously, because it is the one that forms the wall. That's the same analogy in a cell membrane, guys. Lipids are for bricks, proteins are for the stickers. So once you look at the cell membrane, you can clearly appreciate this, that it is the lipid that forms a cell membrane. Once a lipid forms a cell membrane, proteins stick to that membrane to decorate it. Alright, but eventually the stickers numbers are going to be far too much in number than the numbers of protein people. So do not get yourself distracted when it comes to this composition difference. Be clear, a cell membrane is made of lipids. That's the first word. And the second word, when it comes to composition of cell membrane. When it comes to composition, it is essentially proteins who contributes or participates somewhat about, on an average, guys, not exactly, on an average of 55% of membrane. It's proteins. And lipids comes second in number. So when it comes to membrane lipids, on an average of 43% of membrane is contributed by lipids, and carbohydrates do have extremely less numbers in a membrane. Carbohydrate contributes to about 2% of total cell membrane, guys. This is the composition. So I repeat, cell membrane is made of lipids, but it is composed of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates all together. Since the membrane is made of lipids, let us give due importance to lipids and let us learn lipids first. Let's take up membrane lipids, guys. You know, lipids, the most abundant lipid that forms a cell membrane is going to be phospholipids, guys. The most abundant lipid is going to be phospholipid. To some extent, it is also formed by sphingolipids. And to another little extent, cholesterol also forms cell membrane. So there are three kinds of lipids: phospholipids, sphingolipids